Omar, happy birthday!
Birthday!
Okay, Mama. Here. Go there. You're welcome. Happy birthday, Omar. Luigi, go move, Lujine. Omar will check. Omar, what will you say?
Thank you.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Very happy?
Why is like that?
What happened?
You do like that. Open.
Open, okay. Alright. Let's try to open it. Okay, open it.
Okay, open. You open.
Okay, you open?
You can open.
Okay. The Ken will help you to open. Here, open. What happened, Omar? Wow. Oh my God, where is the monster truck?
I don't know. It's dead.
Where?
Something. For the monster truck.
Okay, so where's the monster truck?
I'll open.
Omar, I will open this one later.
Not our teeth.
Nothing.
No, that's for the monster truck.
Okay, don't throw this one. Okay, where's the monster truck? Okay, so that's the monster truck. That's the gift.
This one too. This one the monster truck.
Okay, so where's the monster truck? Luja, Omar, where do you think where's the monster? Why do you think where is it?
Mall.
In the mall. Look for it. Okay, so that's your gift, Omar. Happy birthday. Okay, look for it. Look for it now. Come here, come here. Maybe it's here. Come to Mama. Maybe it's there. Go outside. I don't know. Maybe let's see. Huh? I don't know. Where is the monster truck? Where is it? Oh! Oh! What is that? What is that? What is that?
Let's go down. See my monster truck. Let's go down.
Okay.
I like my monster truck here. Let's go down.
Where is it now?
See, it's down in the truck. Yeah.
You found it?
Yeah.
What? What are you feeling right now? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Why you're happy? Why you're happy? Okay, come here this way. Oh, not yet. Okay, push. Go. Yala, Lujine. Okay, go, go. Thank you. Be careful, Lujine. Omar. No, Luji, you cannot go there.
You can do the real fall line, Mama.
No, Lujine. Let's go. Okay, help Luji. Oh, help Omar. Help Lujine.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, but you need to help her.
No, you look at it.
You need to help her. Oh, see? I told you to help her. Big brother. Okay, go. Baba is there. Omar! Wow, let me see the monster truck. Whoa!
No.
It's huge.
You hold it like that, like a gun. See, look at Baba, like a gun. Okay, this one with the other hand. You bring the gun, the car will go. See, when you cannot touch the car because it's fast. Zero battery. Because I did not fully.
Hi. What did you say to Baba?
Thank you, Baba.
And to Mama also. This is Mama and Baba.
Thank you, Mama.
What's that? He doesn't know what's that.
Don't run, please. Oh.
I will buy the big one for me.
Baba, this way, Baba, this way.
Yeah.
This way? Okay, let's go, Lujine. You can do it. Let's go. Go, Lujine. Yay! Needs charge. Tomorrow?
Put it there so you will grab it, Gazma.
Lujine.
This is for Mac? This is for Mac or for me?
Open, open. Omar, what will you say? Say something.
Welcome, dear. Open all the blue one, ah. All the blue one is yours.
Lujine. Lujine, what will you say to Auntie? Yay! There's more here. Here. More. Lujine, open this one.
You really like it seems like you hit yourself, so you're annoying yourself. You have to on her big what do you say?
I will help. Ikaw will help? Yay!
Whoa!
Where's mine? Omar, I'm still waiting.
There's two more.
Sino mo si Luigi?
Sabi niyo, wow!
Luigi! Later.
One day salon, tomorrow morning kitchen.
That's how the cactus. Wow.
Madam, sabihin na naman hindi.
Again.
Oh my God! Omar. Diyos ko, ang dami oh. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Auntie Jessie, Auntie Jerica, Auntie Ninang.